AI-generated 3D animation. The 3D animation industry has been completely reinvented. What once required a massive budget and a full team working for months, you can now do by yourself in just one afternoon. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. We'll take a simple, one-sentence idea and turn it into a full 3D animated scene that looks like it came straight out of a professional studio. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't know the software, it's too technical, and whenever I try, my animations look weird and amateur. I get it. I've been there. That's exactly why I built this system. No complicated software, no confusing jargon, just a clear, step-by-step process. And here's the deal. If you follow along, I guarantee you'll have your first professional quality 3D animation by the end of this video. But I'm not stopping there. I'm also giving you the secret sauce, the exact prompts and settings nobody else is sharing. For example, I'll show you the one free tool that automatically fixes jittery movement, and the simple character sheet method that creates consistent, Hollywood-style characters from start to finish. This is the easiest way to break into 3D animation, fast. So if you're ready to finally create, let's dive in. Step 1. Generate your animation script with ChatGPT. Ever stared at a blank page and thought, how do I even start? Well, today, we're going to turn that blank page into a stunning 3D animation script in minutes. And the secret weapon? ChatGPT. Yup, the AI you already know can do the heavy lifting for you. Now, don't worry if you're not a writer. You don't need to be. Your job is simple. Have one awesome idea. Use this exact formula. And just like that, boom, in less than a minute, you've got a complete animation blueprint. Every character, every scene, every movement, ready to go. These are your building blocks, and I'll drop the exact prompt in the description so you can copy it and start creating immediately. But here's the exciting part. In the next step, we don't just stop at the script. We'll bring your characters to life and build the environment. Step 2. Generate the visuals. We've got everything we need. Now let's turn the text into visuals so we can actually see our characters. Open Google Image FX. For generating the characters, we'll use Image FX. After opening Image FX, go to ChatGPT, where our character prompts are written. Simply copy the first character prompt and paste it into the Whisk prompt box. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. In a few seconds, Image FX generates our main character, Alex, with great detail. It looks perfect for our animation. Now, let's generate our second character the same way. Head back to ChatGPT, copy the second character prompt, paste it into Whisk, set 16:9, and hit Generate. Just like the first one, Whisk generates our second character in a few seconds. Now we've got our characters. Let's generate the scenes, one by one, using these same consistent characters. For generating every scene image for the animation, we'll use Gemini 2.5 Flash. Head over to Gemini and select 2.5 Flash. We will use Nano Banana for image generation. Select the image option and look for the little banana icon. First, upload both character images into Gemini as references to keep character consistency. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for scene 1 and paste it into Gemini. Make sure Create Image is selected, and if everything is set, hit Generate. Within moments, your first scene image is ready, exactly what you wanted, and the quality is great for the animation video. For the rest of the images, you don't need to upload the character references again. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for scene 2, paste it into Gemini's prompt box, and hit Generate. In a few seconds, Gemini generates our second scene image with perfect character consistency, an absolutely beautiful 3D scene. Generate the third scene image in exactly the same way. Now, continue and generate every scene image for the animation. After generating all the images, we're ready for the next step, where we will bring these visuals to life with animation. Step 3. Animate the visuals. Now that all images are ready, it's time to animate them scene by scene. To animate the visuals, we'll use Google Flow, the interface for Google's latest video models, Veo 3 and Veo 2. Open Google Flow. You'll see options like text to video and frame to video. Select Veo 3 Fast for the best quality. Note, Veo 3 costs 20 credits per generation. If you want to save credits, you can switch to Veo 2. To upload an image, click the plus icon and select your scene image. After the image uploads, go to ChatGPT, where your video prompts for each scene are written. Copy the video prompt for scene 1 and paste it into the Flow prompt box. Hit Generate. In under a minute, you'll have a high-quality video that matches the prompt. These outputs are excellent building blocks for a polished 3D animation. To animate scene 2, upload the second scene image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the scene 2 video prompt, paste it into Flow, and hit generate. Just like that, VO3 produces the second video with clean motion and built-in sound effects. Continue this same process for each scene. If you want to conserve credits, switch to VO2 for the remaining scenes. VO2 also does excellent image-to-video generation, and you can save around 10 credits per video compared to VO3. When each video is ready, click Download. If you'd like to push the quality further, you can upscale inside Google Flow. Or you can export first and upscale in CapCut, which is what I'll do next. Step 4. Combine everything in CapCut. To turn our visuals into a meaningful animated story, we'll use CapCut to edit everything together. Don't worry, it's a simple process. Open the CapCut video editor and upload all the videos we generated for each scene. Once all media is imported, drag them onto the timeline in the correct order. Now we need a voice to tell the story. Go to ChatGPT, where our animation story is written out. Type, "Now create a short summary of the whole story," and generate a concise narration script. Copy that summary. Next, we'll create the narration voice. Open 11 Labs and select Text to Speech. Paste the summary into the text box. Choose a voice that fits a warm, cinematic storytelling style. Click Generate, preview the result, and download the audio file. Import the narration into CapCut and place it on an audio track beneath the video clips. Select all your clips and click the small HD button to upscale them and improve the resolution. Now, split and trim each clip to match the pacing of the narration. Add simple transitions between scenes. Clean cross dissolves usually work best for this style. For sound design, add subtle effects like a soft robot hum for Sparky, gentle footsteps, wind on rooftops, or city ambience. Keep sound effects quiet under the voice so the narration stays clear. If you want background music, add a light, hopeful track at low volume and duck it slightly under the narration. Review the full timeline from start to finish. Check that the cuts match the voice, the transitions feel smooth, and the audio levels are balanced. When you're happy with everything, export the video at the highest quality available in CapCut. And there you have it.
Alex, a lonely but determined boy, discovers a small lost robot, Unit 734, Sparky, on his rooftop and vows to help it find home. They follow clues through a dazzling futuristic city, from crowded markets to river docks and an uptown lab, only to learn Sparky's home never existed. Its caretaker program was cancelled. Refusing to give up,